How to load paper and align cartridges in the HP DeskJet 2700 and DeskJet Plus 4100 series printers. With the setup ink cartridges installed, lift the input tray to raise it to its locked position. Slide the paper width guide to its outermost position. Load a stack of plain white paper into the input tray. Slide in the paper width guide until it rests on the edge of the paper without bending it. After you install the printer on your computer or mobile device and print 3 print jobs, an alignment page prints. For best print quality, it is recommended that you complete the alignment process. Lift the scanner lid. Remove the alignment page from the output tray and place it face down on the scanner glass, where indicated. Lower the scanner lid, and then press the Start Copy Color button to scan the alignment page. When the printer is idle and silent, and the ready light is lit, the alignment process is complete.